That measure that limits where Illinoisans can sue the state over allegations that state law violates the Constitution, there's already a legal challenge, and I have yet to hear back from the Attorney General's office on how they plan to pursue with that, and you can expect even more legal challenges against that measure with two attorneys now on record talking about this. And I'd love to hear your thoughts, and you can always chime in, either email bishoponair@gmail.com, or you can find me on social media. Just search Twitter, Bishop on Air, or Facebook, Bishop on Air, or YouTube, Bishop on Air. Thanks to everybody for checking in on YouTube as well. But last week, we talked with a couple of attorneys, both Thomas Magg and Thomas DeVore. And Magg, whenever we talked with him, he shared with us that indeed he's got a challenge already in the pipeline when it comes to limits to court venues. So here's a little bit of what Thomas Magg had to share with us when he called it blatantly unconstitutional, a measure that limits where Illinoisans can file lawsuits against state laws, claiming that they're unconstitutional. Thomas Magg.
Persons have rights to access to the courts. Obviously, this is intended to make access to the courts inconvenient and difficult.
And he said that he already has that legal challenge in the pipeline, a challenge that looks at the firearm owner identification card and a prohibition of an individual with an old cannabis conviction being unable to get a FOID card in Illinois, and thereby being able to buy and own firearms and ammunition. But the second count of that charge, Magg lays out, it goes directly against this court venue limits.
And in count 2 of the case, put in a direct challenge to this statute and dutifully filed it in the plaintiff's home county, which is not Cook County and is not Sangamon County. And we dare the Attorney General to try to transfer the case.
So Magg says that case is filed. I got the case number. It's out of Madison County. It's Gary Meyer v. Brendan Kelly, if you're interested in looking that up and tracking that, and we'll be watching to see what happens with that, because it's filed in Madison County, challenging a state statute on constitutional grounds. It was not filed in Sangamon County. It was not filed in Cook County. It was filed in Madison County. But we also talked with Thomas DeVore. He has a myriad of lawsuits that he's filed against the states on a variety of things, from COVID-19 mandates to the gun ban. And when we talked with Tom DeVore live on Friday, he laid out why he thinks that this is a ridiculous law limiting people where they can
Why
sue.
on earth would I have clients in Effingham County go file a case in Cook County about anything, whether it's a constitutional challenge or to the governor's authority or the legislature's? Why would I file their case up there? I'm going to file that case in where they live, where they elect judges, where those judges are responsible for the people that are bringing the challenges and the cases to court, because that's what the Illinois and U.S. Constitution provide.
So DeVore says that he's planning his own lawsuit to challenge this, and he says he guarantees it will not be filed in Sangamon or in Cook counties. So we'll be watching that space as well and bringing the very latest updates when it comes to a measure that limits Illinoisans' ability to file litigation against Illinois state laws, claiming that they violate the Constitution.